Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. So here I am yet again with another video of plant shopping in new place which is called IKEA. So I've recently visited to IKEA and this is me for the first time I'm coming on the screen. So I've recently visited to IKEA to shop for plants. So I'm gonna show you the plant section. So this is the plant section where you can find all varieties of plants and planters as well. So if you can see here, these are all ceramic planters. So these are of good quality. So IKEA is that one place where you can find good quality of ceramic pots. I have mostly used ceramic pots from IKEA rather than purchasing outside because I just like IKEA pots, ceramic ones, which look classy and all, the colors and all, so it looked classy. So I prefer IKEA pots for my plants. So this is the entire section where you have all plants and only greenery. Planters would reasonable price as well. These are plastic planters which you have 99 each. And we have some plastic planters over there and some iron plants as well. And these are terracotta planters. This also look nice if you can just put everywhere. So can find here some artificial plants. And here comes the real ones. So these are lucky bamboos or spiral bamboos, but the price was too high, so I haven't bought these plants. Here in IKEA, they maintain plants in very good medium, soil medium, so the plants look very nice and healthy. So I mostly prefer IKEA plants because of the medium that they use. Most of the medium would be coco peat, so the water is not every time necessary. When the coco peat is that one medium which retains some moisture, so we should not give more water. So here we have some plastic planters, and again here real plants, and I have seen some beautiful monsteras, and I couldn't stop myself of taking one monstera, which I loved monstera. So I used to have such same monstera, but unfortunately it wasn't doing well and it is no more. So I took another one, and if you can see here, I have seen some other plants like string of pearls down here, all this string of pearls, and some aralias and some spider plants we have here. All different varieties of plants are available in IKEA. Most of the here are anthuriums, different colors of anthuriums, and ferns. They have different varieties of ferns. They have Boston fern, they have foxtail ferns, varieties of ferns they have, and calatheas also they have. ZZs, they have n number of ZZ plants. So every plant is in the same medium of coco peat, so that water is not a big problem for this IKEA plants, because if you just water once in a 10 days or 15 days, that would be more than enough for these plants, because medium that they have used for these plants are to completely complete this coco peat medium, so it is not necessary. Here we have money plants, here aralias and all, and some succulents we have again yet, snake plants, sansevierias, lucky bamboos which are potted in soil. So here is another section where you can find the IKEA water supplies, gardening supplies. So this is IKEA watering can, which is pretty much okay, but I didn't took because the size of that can is too small. So here you can see the material, the ceramic pots for even decor purpose as well. So IKEA serves you for all decoration purpose as well. I hope you all have visited IKEA. So I mostly prefer IKEA for plants. Rather, I'll not purchase all these things, but plants are the good ones. So here also we have some other plants, snake plants, and all varieties of snake plants are available here. So if you can see here, we have ferns here, and this is called bird's nest fern. So we have two different varieties of bird nest fern, and these are succulents. Again here, so this is another session where you will have all these plants. Mostly this is the season where winters and rainies you will find ferns a lot. So I have seen so many ferns here. Here also another section where you will find plants. So as a plant lover, wherever it comes, we can't just resist. So hope you all seen the video. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Collective Gardening.